Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Mummy's Minute. Today we are going to be making an advent calendar for him. Now I wanted to purchase the beer advent calendars this year, however they are way too expensive. They were over $200. So let's go ahead and DIY one. So the first thing you're going to need is a large box. This is going to hold all the gifts that you're going to use for your advent calendar. You're also going to need some decorative wrapping paper. This one was at Dollarama. You're going to need some gift tags. Now you want the gift tags that have nothing on the backs because you're going to be adding the numbers. You're also going to need some tissue paper, preferably some tissue paper that matches your wrapping paper and that's decorative. You'll need some tape as well. And I'm going to put a pretty bow on mine, so I'm going to use this ribbon. The last thing you're going to need is your gifts. I went with the 25 days. You can do the 12 days of Christmas, whatever you want. I added some alcohol beverages, some snacks that I know that he likes, Pringles, chocolate, peanuts, all the good stuff. And even though I supplied 25 gifts with this advent calendar, it was nowhere near $200. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and wrap your box. Now I am no professional wrapper and you could probably do a lot better than I did, but I got the job done. The next thing you're going to do is take each individual gift and you're going to wrap it in your tissue paper. Now I did have to layer my tissue paper. I used 2 pieces per gift, and that's just so you couldn't see through it, and it made it a little more stronger as well. So once you get your gift wrapped, you then go ahead and take your name tags and you're going to add the number on the back. Make sure you get the name tags that don't have the 2 in the from. They are just blank. You can get them at Dollarama. They're super cheap. So you're going to continue with this process for all 25 or 12 or however many gifts that you get, and you're going to add them to that big box. I didn't add them in any particular order. I just put them wherever they fit in the box. That's part of the advent calendar. You got to find your number. Once the gifts were all wrapped, I then had to take them all out of the box because they didn't fit. And then I had to rearrange them so they looked half decent in this box. Next time, I'm going to pick a bigger box. So the last part is just adding a ribbon. So I'm just going to take this 1-inch ribbon and I'm going to wrap it all the way around the box and secure it with some tape. And then I'm going to add a pretty bow. If you're looking for a how-to video on how to make this bow, I'll post my link in the description box down below. It's a great how-to video on creating 4 easy bows for this holiday season. You're gonna wanna check it out. So once my bow was created, I took my hot glue gun to secure it onto the gift box. Then I did a little more rearranging with the gifts to make it a little more prettier. And there you go. We have our advent calendar for 25 days for him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it inspires you this holiday season. Please like and subscribe for more DIY fun. Happy holidays!